Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Tan's World, and if you're seeing this face for the very first time, then hi, this is my channel Tan's World and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and skincare. And now let's move on to today's video, and as the title suggests, it's my kurti haul. I picked up 7 kurtis all from Myntra in under 500 budget. So if you're interested in knowing what I picked up, then keep on watching. The first kurti I picked up is the one that I am wearing. It has geometrical details all over it with colorful accents all about it, with an accent of red, some yellow, some green, and the main basic color is white, which is versatile. I also like the length of the sleeve, since I think 3/4 sleeves make a huge deal when you're working in a professional front, for be it in office or in college. And just to add to an edge to the whole look, it also has this cutout details on the sleeves, which is not over the top. It is quite demure, and that's what I like about it, that even if it's cut out, it's not in your face and it's just apt for an office wear. And this one was for 387 rupees. I'm going to be linking everything down below in the description box, so you want to check it out along with the sizes that I picked up. I would like to put out one thing, that even though these kurtis look a lot shorter on me, but that is only for the sole reason that I am 5'8", and kurtis of a general size look way shorter on me, so I buy something very long. But however, if you are a lady who is not 5'8", then these are going to come at a perfect length for you and a perfect fit. The next one I picked up is in this color white. It has this eyelet detail all over it, and I also like the length of the sleeves. It is 3/4. White is such a versatile color, and it is one of my favorites, as you can see here at the background as well. It goes with everything. It looks classy, it looks chic. I also like the little tie detail on the front. I think it's a perfect case of classic white, but it's not that boring plain white. It has this eyelet detail all over it. It is a very good cotton material. So this one I picked up for 504 rupees. The next one I picked up is this one in the blue color. It has flowery dainty detail all over it. It has a pink color tie on the top. It also has a very kimono look to it and a feel to it, and I also like the kimono sleeves. It has this little pom-poms at the end, and I just love the whole look. It is a very good cotton material. It is nice blue, indigo blue, and I absolutely love everything about it. This was originally for 1300 and I got it for 500 rupees. The next thing I picked up is this pink and off-white kurti. It has this little motif details all over it, but my favorite part is the neckline. It has this little bit of sweetheart neckline, and I also like the border that's going up to the neckline. And I also like that it has a smaller print, because if you buy something which has a larger, bigger print, then it takes away from the classiness and the formalness of the whole attire. So that's why I stick to always smaller prints. I also like a little bit of pink sheen attached to it. I think it just goes very well with all the outfits. And I also like that it has a little bit of smock detail on the bottom, since it is a little bit of fitted on the top, but it has this smock detail for an end. And this was originally for 700 rupees and I picked it up for 300 rupees. The next one I picked up is in this checker detail. It's blue and white checks all over it. The whole idea for picking this one up was sole reason that I didn't wanted my kurti to look like an actual kurti. I wanted it to be a mix between a t-shirt and a top and a kurti, and that's the sole reason I picked it up. And it's a very good cotton material. It's so breathable. I also like this squinch sleeve detail at the end, and I love the length also. And this was originally for 1000 rupees and I picked it up for 504 rupees. The next one I picked up is this one in pink color. It's such a nice versatile color. It has the flare length sleeves again, which I'm a very big fan of. It also has these little pom-pom details at the end. This also has a very colorful graphic neckline going on. It just adds to the necessary color. It also cuts the color pink with the necessary border, and the pom-poms also add a lot of edge to it. And this one again was for 1300 and I picked it up for 500 rupees. So those were my 6 kurtis. The 7th one was cancelled. However, I still wanted to share a picture with you, and I'm going to put it right here. That has a high-low tunic effect to it. It also has a Chinese collar. I think it had a more casual feel to it, and I also like the sleeveless details, because coming summer season it's going to be so apt, as it is winters only last 2 or 3 months in Delhi. So I think I was more keen on buying it for the summer season, and this costed only 435 rupees. I was so keen on receiving it. That was the first kurti. I put it in my cart. Unfortunately, I did not receive it. However, if you could lay your hands on this kurti, just go for it, because that was one of my favorite pieces. So that was all of my kurtis in a budget of 500. If you guys liked it, do mention in the comment section below which one was your favorite, and also do share a thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it, so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. So see you next time. Bye.